Don't mind this makeup, by the way. We're in the middle of Halloween season, okay? You want to see the lip swatches? You got to deal with this. Hey, we're back with another lip swatch video. This one is on a new lipstick that I just got this week, and I wanted to share it with you before they got in store. So MAC sent over their Powder Kiss lipsticks in the cutest packaging ever. Ooh, it's like a backstage pass. This is probably really heavy though. Ready? Oh yeah, no. So I'm going to be reviewing, testing, and mainly swatching all of these for you guys. So stay tuned, and if this look hasn't gone up yet, the one that you're seeing, it's like half of it, it's going up soon. Let's do it. Mwah. So here is the packaging for the Powder Kiss lipsticks. Absolutely beautiful because the whole lipstick is matte. Let me show you in comparison to a regular MAC lipstick. So here is a regular MAC lipstick, just kind of like a satin finish, and then we have the matte finish for the Powder Kiss lipsticks. And when we open it up, it looks exactly like your basic lipstick. It does look super, super matte. Like it looks super matte, but when I apply it, it's super soft. It almost feels like a demi matte. Like it's definitely not going to sit. It's not like a retro matte. It's not like a cream sheen. So if you guys are familiar with lipsticks from MAC, you will understand this one. If cream sheen and retro matte had a baby, here is Powder Kiss lipstick. Let's get into the swatches. Alright guys, that is it for my lip swatch video on all of the brand new Powder Kiss lipsticks from MAC. These guys. A little information on these lipsticks before we go. I have all the information right here as I always do. Okay. So they call it a soft focus color. Weightless moisture matte. So it's actually developed to replicate a backstage technique of blending out the edges of matte lipstick for a hazy effect. Okay, hold on. So they invented it so that you could blend out the edges like this. I actually recently just did this technique in my Flower Goddess or Floor, I think I ended up calling it Flower Queen makeup look, so if you want to check that out. They are available on October 11th. I believe that is a Thursday, so next week they're available, and they are going to retail, I don't have a price here. I'm gonna assume that they're going to be around the same price as a normal regular MAC lipstick, or they may be a couple dollars more, $1 or $2 more, just because the packaging is different. I'm not sure if these are going to be part of the permanent collection or not. I feel like they may end up being part of the permanent collection if they do super well, which I actually think they're gonna do super well, because I know that there are so many people out there that love the look of matte lipsticks, but definitely not how they feel. Towards the end of the day, I really want to take my matte lip. Towards the end of the day, for me, I know I definitely want to take off any matte lipstick that I ever wear, but these are super comfortable, super lightweight, and they look matte. So that's it. That's all I have for today, you guys. Make sure to check out my Halloween videos because we're in the middle of October. Woo-hoo. So make sure to check out my Halloween videos and of course all of the rest of my lip swatch videos. And of course, as always, make sure to subscribe to me, click that notification bell so you don't miss out on a single video. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow, the next day, and probably the next day. Bye!